All right, you guys. So XRP is trading at $2.43 with a market cap of 140 billion. We're seeing the volume kind of decrease in the last 24 hours. Now, XRP is at a critical decision point. Will it bounce back or is the downside more likely? Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. So heading over to our daily time frame here, we can see that the price is retesting this critical area of resistance. Now, 38% of our Fibonacci here was tested multiple days at $2.47. As we scroll out, we can actually see dated back this area at December 5th, multiple rejections at this level. So again, this is a critical decision point for XRP. If we're able to break this, then most likely price is going to rally up to this area here at $2.60 with forgiven volume as well. And that's kind of something here that we are going to take a look at in terms of some of our indicators. So we are seeing some buying interest in terms of our RSI and also our MACD indicator. So we quickly take a look here. The RSI is at 37%, but most importantly, the previous candlestick here at 33%. We do see the RSI cross above our signal line, and this kind of gives us a buying signal and followed by other buying pressures. Now, even though the MACD indicator, these bars are getting smaller and they are red, what we can gather here is that the sellers are kind of taking a step back here and seeing if the buyers are going to push the price above the 38% or the $2.47. Another reassurance here is it is kind of still a buyer's market. In our CMF indicator, we are at 0.12%. So we do know that the buyers are in control of this, but if we take a look on the previous candlesticks, smaller bodied candlesticks here, again, there's no dominancy in terms of the bulls or the bears. So it is kind of testing to see if the buyers are going to push the price for XRP at $2.47. Now, if we take a look at CoinMarketCap here, volume is down 7% itself. So in order to see a breakout through this immediate resistance, we will need to see ideally volume in the positive, at least 20% in my opinion. But let me know what you guys or your thoughts are in terms of the volume accumulation up to this area of resistance. But we're going to zoom out to see if there is any deciding factors on the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame here, it still remains in an uptrend. We can see that the price is gravitating towards the 20 moving average, still kind of a nice pullback. It's a nice, not too steep of a pullback itself. So XRP here can definitely recover and continue this uptrend. Again, very critical here if we can reclaim the $2.47. The only issue here is ideally I would like the buyers to push the price at least 50% of this previous red candlestick, which around $2.48. That would confirm to me that this possible reversal may be confirming. Again, we only started this week today, so a lot has moved in the last 24 hours. Taking a look at as well on the weekly time frame, momentum is slowing down in terms of the buyers here. And if we see our K line cross below our D line for our MACD indicator, it may signal some sell signals and price may do a steeper correction. But on the weekly time frame, we can see that buyers are stepping in very strongly here. So my idea here for price predictions in terms of XRP, if the price again can rally up to the 247, also important too is treating this area of resistance as an area of support. So if you are looking into XRP, in my own personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but normally at peaks here, especially at an area of resistance, we ideally want to keep this resistance treated as an area of support. So if the price does break out around the 38% of our fib at $2.47, we ideally want the price to come down and treat this as an area of support to continue the uptrend, because a lot of times here we see rejections coming down to the next area of Fibonacci before breaking out. So this may be possible as a false breakout. So that's what I'm just saying, is just being very cautious and seeing how far the buyers are willing to push this price here. And if they're willing to push the price up another area of our Fibonacci at $2.66. We just want reassurance that the buyers are 100% in control and we're not just seeing those short traders capitalize at this area of resistance. Because a lot of times in this downwards trend, because if we take a look on the daily time frame, this is a downwards trend here. Okay, it's not an upwards trend. We did break out the 20 moving average on February 1st. We see these slight recovery pullbacks coming down to an area of support, a pullback. So this may be a false breakout in terms of coming down and returning to this area of support. So just be very cautious as you're looking into that. But let me know what you guys think here. Do you guys think that this is a false breakout, anticipating for short traders to capitalize and make profit at the very top of the $2.47 or possibly $2.50? Or do you think this is the real deal here where XRP is going to show us the big recovery? It's going to bounce up and we're going to possibly hit that $3 once again. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments, and like and subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.